Welcome to a guided meditation for beginners. My name is Heather. Over the next 10 minutes, I will guide you through a simple but effective breath meditation for creating calm and balance in your life. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. It is most beneficial to wear comfortable clothing. You will need a cushion or straight back chair. You may also wear your mala beads during meditation or count through the beads to help maintain focus on the moment. Once you are seated, position your spine from your neck to the small of your back as straight as possible and relax your shoulders. Your chin should be parallel to the floor and tucked in slightly. Relax your eyes and your mouth. Be sure your teeth and jaw are not clenched. Position your hands comfortably by setting them on your knees, or cradle your hands with palms facing up in front of your navel area. You just want to be comfortable and relaxed for the next few minutes. Let's begin. Breathing through your nose, take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, peace and serenity. Exhale, stress and pain. Inhale positive energy. Exhale negativity. Inhale healing with every breath. Exhale all things that are toxic. Continue now to breathe normally through your nose, using your abdomen rather than your chest, and slowly relax any part of your body that is tense. Bring your focus to your navel area as you breathe in and out. When thoughts intervene, simply let them go and return to focusing on your breath. If your mind is very busy, you might like to count each breath, and when you reach 10, begin again. Relaxation is important, and if you're new to meditation, you may find that your body feels tense. Take note of this tension and slowly release it as you sit. Feel free to make small adjustments to become more comfortable while keeping your back straight. As you focus on your breathing, notice how calm and relaxed you are right now in this moment. Whenever a thought comes up, take note of it, let it go, don't follow it, and gently return to counting your breath. When you are ready to return, slowly reawaken your body, taking time to adjust to the present. Meditating for 10 minutes each day will build a positive habit of good health for your mind and body. When practicing meditation over time, you will naturally build up for longer sessions and discover a variety of other types of meditations. The basis of meditation is to be present with your mind in the moment, paying attention to your breath. If you would like to be notified of new guided meditations, please subscribe to this channel. And if you enjoyed this meditation, give the video a like. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.